Alright, welcome back, legends. If this is your first time, hi, I'm Anis from A Square Solutions, and on this channel, we don't sell streams, we build systems. Now, quick favor before we dive in, hit that like button, smash subscribe, because every click tells YouTube, yeah, this stuff actually helps people. And trust me, what I'm about to show you today is not theory. This is my real setup. Let's go. Guys, think of your website like a real world business. Your domain is your shop name. Your hosting is the land where your shop is built. WordPress, that's your building. Content, that's your inventory. SEO, that's your roadside billboard. No land, no shop. No shop, no customers. Simple as that. Social media is rented land. Your website, that's owned property. Big difference. So right now you are seeing my home page. This is not just design, this is positioning. Services on the top, case studies, blogs, contact. This tells Google and humans we are real. We solve problems. Scaling always start with your own base, no shortcuts. Now let me show you behind the curtain. This is the WordPress. Now look at this 590 posts. That didn't happen overnight. That's that's consistency. Think of it like stacking bricks. One brick does nothing, 1,000 bricks build a house. Most people quit a brick number 5. That's why they stay broke. See all these articles. Each one is a digital employee working 24/7. No salary, no holidays, no complaints. That's leverage. Now watch this carefully. These are my categories: digital marketing, AI, quantum computing, history, space, web development. These are departments like a mall, electronic section, food court, clothing zone. Same idea. Google loves organized mall. Random street stalls, not so much. Now, this is called pillar content. Think of it like the main highway, smaller blocks connected to like side roads. This create topical authority. Translation in simple English. Google start trusting you, and trust is traffic, and traffic you will get the opportunities. Now see the score: rank math, focus keyword, schema, internal link. This is automation. Instead of guessing, we follow a checklist. Loves structure. Humans love stories. We give both. That's scaling. Now let's talk real data. Here you can see the queries, clicks, impression. Impression means how many times Google showed you. Click means how many people cared. If are high but clicks are low, your title sucks. Fix it. No emotion, just math. Look at these queries. Some are brand, some are random. This tells me what the internet is asking. Your job, answer better than everyone else. That's it. SEO is just problem solving at scale. Now, this is the Google Analytics. Now, this is where things get spicy. Here we can see active users, countries, session, events, scroll, form submission. This tells me who came from where and what they read, and whether they contacted us. Bus- Business is not vibes, it's numbers. If users scroll but don't contact, your page needs fixing. If traffic comes but no leads, your offer is weak. Data does not lie, people do. Now, let's talk money. This is Google AdSense. Yes, earning are small right now, and that's okay because AdSense is not the business, it's bonus petrol. Main engine is services, affiliate links, authority. AdSense is coffee money, systems are rent money. Big difference. Now, let me show you the hostinger. So, this is hosting, this is infrastructure, slow site, slow money. Here I manage domain, hosting, performance, security. If your site crashes when traffic comes, congrats, you just scared away customers. Hosting matters. That's why I personally use Hostinger. If you need hosting, I have put my referral link in the description. No pressure, just sharing what I use. Now, let me show you my the silent partner. This is the chat gpt. I don't ask it to write magic, I ask it to help me think. Outlines, frequently asked question, FAQs, video ideas, content structure. AI saves time and human build trust. Use AI like an assistant, not a replacement. And now this is the YouTube studio. Now this is distribution. Same content because blog, videos, shorts, social posts, create once, publish everywhere. That's scaling, not working harder, working smarter. Now let me tell you something straight. Most people want income. Few people want systems. Income follows systems always. You then don't get rich from one viral video. You build boring foundation until success looks sudden. Like they say, overnight success takes 10 years. If you have internet and basic learning skills, you are already ahead of half half the world. No cap. Some days traffic is low, some days motivation dies. That's normal. Even gyms are empty after January. Winners keep showing up. So just like the video and subscribe to our channel and share with your friend also if you like the video. And if you need any SEO automation or website help, visit asquaresolution.com and submit your request on our contact page. My team will reach out. And also check our playlist, it's real. You can earn money online from zero to system. Previous episode we cover website building, search console, analytics, monetization, and next episode we will come with automation, content calendars, and email funnels. So stay tuned. I will leave you with this. You don't need permission to start. You just need consistency. Start messy, learn fast, build systems, and remember, knowledge is power, but action is everything. So, I will see you in the next episode. Peace. Bye bye. Take care.